The next award is the Tyre Repair Award. The nominees for this award were LG Rubber, India; ITRS Vulcan Volcap, Canada; Myers Tyre Supply Patch Rubber, USA; Rima Tip Top, Germany; and Tech, USA. And the winner is Tech. Congratulations on picking up the Tyre Repair Award. We have a quick question for the winner who joins us now. How important will this award be in terms of raising the importance of the quality of tyre repairs as an integral part of the retreading process?
Hi Richard, it's fantastic news what you are bringing us. I mean, it's we're very grateful to you and your father David that you have arranged this event, this online event. It has created a beautiful platform for us to get recognized in the world of retreading, and it's fantastic to hear that so many voters have chosen us as a winner, and especially among another group of nominees who are also big names in our industry. Anyway, it's fantastic. Quick word of thank you to the teams we have, the tech teams which we have in Belgium, in the UK, and in Italy, who are every day trying to bring our brand across all over the retread industry. And I think to answer your question specifically, the Inner Circle Award basically gives a kind of a proof that we are working in a quality environment. I mean, we are here in Europe for over more than 35 years. And in the beginning, we were a little bit treated as let's say, stepmotherly, I would say, the repairs. And now we have made an evolution towards an Inner Circle Award, where we are the repair section of a retread process has been recognized as part of the award. So that's a fantastic progress we have made, and many thanks for that. Also to the people who are keeping us open all the time, the general management of Tech US and Tech Europe, who have guided us through the difficult times of Corona. And especially that, I think, is the importance of the online development, which you are part of in a big way, is that we can profile ourselves on such a platform. That's fantastic. And we will be back again. I mean, maybe not to win, but we're at least happy to have this reward now. It's fantastic news. Thank you very much.